To manually align the model, that is, place it such that it is facing outwards, click on the View Controls bar at the top. Select the Manual Align option. All existing measurements will be cleared before alignment. Click OK to continue. A alignment control axis is displayed. This enables you to rotate the model along the X, Y, Z axis. Click and drag the mouse within the controls circle and rotate the model. Drag to the right or left to rotate the model to look to the side. Drag up and down to rotate the model to look up or down. Continue adjusting the model position using the sideways and up/down movement. Click and drag up/down, near the yellow circle. The model will tilt to the side. Adjust the tilt. Reorient the model to look outwards. Click near the center of the circles and drag sideways. Continue till the model faces you. Adjust the vertical tilts. When you are satisfied with the alignment, click on the Manual Alignment button in the View toolbar. The align controls will be hidden. It is recommended to execute auto alignment before proceeding with the measurements. Your model is ready for measurements.